rapidly growing cities around the world, limited space and parking difficulties have become shared urban challenges. When ground-level capacity reaches its limit, the solution is no longer to expand outward, but to build upward, downward, and deeper into space. Thus, mechanical intelligent parking systems have stepped onto the global stage. This highly automated, space-redefining approach is reshaping the logic of urban parking. And in this fast-expanding market, a leading parking garage manufacturer from Hangzhou plays a critical role, building the essential vertical traffic infrastructure for cities worldwide. At the core of these parking systems are large structural beams and heavy-duty steel tubes requiring extreme precision. Yet as global demand accelerates, traditional processing methods reveal clear limitations: unstable accuracy, low efficiency, inconsistent batches, and constrained capacity. To break through these constraints, the company adopted a more advanced manufacturing solution: the HSG Laser TX12050S 12 kilowatt heavy-duty bevel tube cutting machine. The TX series brings key advantages to heavy structure manufacturing. High-precision beveling in a single process, ensuring consistent geometry across every tube, reducing rework and improving welding and assembly efficiency. With 12 kilowatts of high-power cutting, processing speed for thick, oversized profiles increases dramatically, while maintaining stable output even during peak delivery seasons. Automated loading and unloading for heavy pipes greatly shortens setup time, enhancing safety while reducing labor requirements. With higher precision, higher efficiency, and higher stability, this company significantly shortened production cycles and gained the confidence to take on larger and more complex projects, turning advanced equipment into a new engine for growth. Today, the TX series is becoming a trusted solution for parking garage manufacturers around the world, driving the industry towards smarter, more efficient development.